Hey guys, it's Shelby. Welcome to my channel. So, as of today, we've had the keys for a week and we've been working on the house as much as we can. Of course, we are both working full time, so we clean and prep the house on our days off and evenings when we can. Today's video is a montage of the first week of cleaning and prepping for paint. You will see clips of removing the wallpaper in the bedroom. That alone took me a full day, and then Randy helped me on day two. In hindsight, we probably should have gotten a scoring tool. It would have made removal much easier, but you live and you learn. The first day at the house, we had no electricity, so there wasn't much that we could do, but the next full day, I hit it hard with the upstairs, dusting, vacuuming, shampooing carpets, and my mother in law was so kind to scrub all of the bathrooms and kitchen. Which was a greasy, gross mess. And just yesterday, I started painting the ceilings, and next week, hopefully, we will have the rest of the ceilings painted, walls spackled, and hopefully, most of the house will at least have a first coat of paint on the walls. And of course, I'll be filming all the things, so check back next week for some more satisfying cleaning and painting. And thank you for watching. Enjoy.